Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to link the PLC S7-200 Smart CPU SR30 with the TIA Portal version 17 by using the simulation for create the project HMI and link to the PLC. So before go to create the project, I would like to explain the concept of this connection. So first we need to have the LAN cable that connect from the LAN port of our computer to the Profinet port of PLC S7-200 Smart by using the LAN cable. And we need to have the software. The first one is Step 7 MicroWin Smart, and the second one we have TIA Portal other software, other version that we have. Then we can create the project in PLC and create the HMI screen for simulation, and then we can control from the HMI to the PLC. Okay, so let's go to our software to create the project of PLC and HMI screen, and then we can simulation together. So let's go. Okay, so I have installed in my PC as Step 7 MicroWin Smart version 2.5 and TIA Portal version 17. So first let's create the new folder for our project. Example test PLC Smart. Then we can open the software schematic Step 7 MicroWin Smart to create the example project. So let's go to check the communication. Find the CPUs. Okay, right now it detects one CPU that has IP address 192.168.20.2. Then we can put the manual IP address of our PC. Example, I will put 192.168.20.253 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. and then click OK. So basically we can create the start stop one more. So I will choose M0.0 for stop from HMI. Yes, and I will choose M0.1 for start from the HMI. And then I will use output Q0.0 of PLC S7-200 Smart, and then we can find the symbol here. Yes, It is the I/O symbol, CPU input 0, I 0.0, and for the output, start from Q 0.0. Then I will hold the signal of output Q 0.0. Okay. And if we would like to start and stop from the I/O, it means that from the push button, we can also insert. I will insert column and then put the I 0.0 and create one more. I will change this one to I 0.1 for start, and then hold the signal by Q 0.0. Yes, and then we can compile the program and save to the folder that we already created here. We can create a new folder, or we can use this folder. PLC S7-200 Smart with TIA Portal version 17. Okay, and then we can download to PLC, stop the CPU and then start the CPU, and we can online. Yes. So right now, if I push the button start from the input of PLC, let's test. Okay, I will push button start. Let's see, the relay is turned on because the output Q 0.0 is turned on. If I push stop, start again, it will start, and PLC is show the signal also. And then we can create the HMI project from TIA Portal for simulation, start and stop from the HMI. Yes. So first, let's open the TIA Portal. So wait a moment for create the project for TIA Portal. So we can go to create the new project and put the project name, example connect PLC S7-200 Smart, and then browse to folder that we already created on desktop. Yes, here, and then choose create one. The project will automatically create the object for us. And then go to project view and create the new device. And we can use HMI and then choose the touch panel that we would like to simulation. Right now I will use TP700 comfort and then choose OK. So wait a moment for create the new HMI. Yes, and then we can choose finish. And we will got the root screen like this. Yes, so this one we can delete. And first we need to create the connection for connect to PLC, right? So double click on connections and put the name of connection, example PLC Smart, and then choose the communication driver that we would like to connect. Right now we connect to PLC S7-200, right? So choose S7-200 and we will use the Ethernet because we use Profinet port, right? So Profinet port of PLC is 192.168.20.2. So we can put here 192.168.20.2. And for the IP address of our computer, we can check IP config. So 192.168.20.253. So we can put .20.253. And then we can go to HMI Tech. Yes. So we need to create the text. The first one is stop, right? Stop. Let's see, stop from HMI is M0.0, right? M0.0, stop from HMI. So stop PB. The data type is Boolean. And we will use the PLC Smart. It is the connection that we already created. And then put the address, so M0.0. And here we can change 200 millisecond. And then we can create the start button. It is the M0.1. So start PB M0.1, and then cycle time we can use 100 millisecond. And we need to show the status of the relay 1 or motor 1, right? So Q0.0. So we will create motor 1 status. And then it will start from Q0.0. And we will change this one to 100 millisecond also. Then we can compile. So error 0, right? Then we can save, and we can go to our root screen. Basically we can delete and then put the title, example connect PLC S7-200 Smart CPU SR30 with TIA version 17. Then we can go to property to adjust the text size. We can uncheck the fit object, right? We can change the color that we want. I will change the field to be background. I will change to this color. And for this one, I will increase the size. Okay. And then we can add the push button, right, for control from the HMI. So I will choose button stuff. Increase the font size to be 29. Go to property, general. I will change this one to be solid and change the color to be red. And for the corner, we can adjust to be bigger than this. Yes, like this. And for the text button, I will change to black. Yes. And then we can copy for button start. So start, and then change this one to be blue color. Yes. So it should be like this. And then we can insert the motor. Example, I will use this motor. Okay. And then we need to show the status of the motor. Example, change from color red to white, red to green. So we need to configure the button, right? So right click, go to event, and then freeze. I will use set bit val key freeze, and then we can go to HMI text here. Then we can use like this. We can drag and drop. Example, push button stop. We can drag and drop the push button stop. I will go to root screen again. And then close this one first. Then we can press and choose the function set bit val key press, and then choose the text example stuff PB. And for the start, we can go to event press and then choose set val key press and then choose start. And for the motor status, we can go to animation, then go to display, add new animation, and choose apparent. And we need to show the motor status, right? Motor 1 status, and change from red to green color when the output is turned on. So we can save the project and then go to simulation. Yes. And then we can test the simulation here. So right now the motor is turned on because we just push the button from the input, right? So example, we would like to stop, we can press stop. Yes. The motor is stopped and relay is turned off. So if we would like to run, we can start from HMI. The motor is start, stop again, start and stop. Yes. So if we would like to start and stop another motor, example, we can go to test another motor. So we can write stop M2 M0.2 stop motor 2 M0.3 start motor 2, and then I will turn on one more output Q0.1 and then hold the signal also by Q0.1, and then we can compile and save the program and then download to the PLC, and we can online, and we will design the screen to start and stop the motor number 2, right? So let's go to our TIA portal, and I will arrange the push button and motor to be like this. Maybe we can adjust. Okay, and here we can copy and then write to be motor 1. And we can copy for motor number 2. Yes. You can select and then right click, copy, right click and paste. And change this one to be motor number 2. And we can copy and paste. For motor number 2. Yes. And then we need to create the text, right? So we need to create M0.3, M0.2 for stop, M0.3 for start, Q0.1 for status of the motor number 2. So let's go to text. So this one should be stop motor 2. The data type is Boolean. We use PLC connection and then start from M0.2 100 millisec and then start motor 2 so M0.3 and cycle time 100 millisec also. And the next we will create the motor 2 status and we will use Q 0.1 and then choose 100 millisec also. And we can compile, save and compile. Okay, compile start with no error. And then we can go to root screen and then go to stop button and then choose the event. And then change this one to stop motor 2. And for this one, event start motor 2. And for this one, we can change to be motor 2 status, right? So that's all. And then we can compile. And then pre-simulation to start simulation with 2 mirrors. Okay, so here we can online and then check for both motor. We have motor 1 and 2, right? And then we have HMI. So we can start motor 1. Yes, motor 1 is running. So motor 2, yes, it's running also. And the PLC is turned on. Okay, I will show the status on PLC when we push the button from the HMI. Okay, so let's see, the PLC is turned on. So if I push stop, example, I stop button motor number 2, it stop. Stop motor number 1, it stop. Start again, it turn on again. Okay. So communication between PLC S7-200 Smart and HMI simulation is perfectly. Yes. So if we would like to count the speed motor, example, we will create one more. I will insert network here. Sorry. Okay. So if output is turned on, I will add and then choose the SM0.4, right? SM0.5 clock 1 second, and then add real. Example, I will add 1.25 to MD 10. Okay, like this. And if the output is turned off, I will move 0. So if Q0.0 is turned off, I will move 0.0 to MD 10. Okay. The same as motor number 2. If motor number 2 is turned on, so Q0.1 is turned on, then I will add real. Example, I will add 1.55 to MD 20. Yes, just example. And here I will insert column. So I will use clock path memory. So MSM 0.5 and then I will use positive edge. And if the motor is turned off, so Q0.1 is turned off, then I will move real 0.0 to MD20. Okay, save the project, compile the project, and then download to the PLC. Okay, so clock pile memory is working right now. So wait only motor run, and then it will increase the value to MD10, and then we will show on the TIA portal. So we need to create the text. So I will use the motor 1 speed. It is the real, right? MD10. I will use cycle 100 millisecond also, and one more for motor 2 speed. It is the real also, and MD20. Here MD20 for speed motor number 2. Yes, 100 millisecond. Save and compile the project, and then go to root screen, and then we can choose basically we can choose this one. So I will show the motor speed here. Go to property, go to general, and choose the text motor 1 speed, and then we can choose like this. Choose this format, go to layout, then go to text format. I will change this text format to be center, this one to middle, and go to apparent, change the color to be black, and then text color to be green, and then change this one to be white, decrease this one, yes, and change the text to be 21, and for the unit is RPM, right? So this one should be RPM. I will change to white color. Okay, and then we can copy for motor number 2. So copy and then paste. Okay, and then change the general to be motor number 2 speed. Okay, good. And we can save and then simulation. Yes. So when the button start was pressed, and then the value will increase, right? So I will start. This one increase, right? So let's check the MD20 again. Why not show? MD20. Oh, this one should be NC, right? I will change to NC because when the motor is not run, the motor 2 is not run, it should be so 0 to MD20, right? So I will download again, and then we can go online. I will zoom in a little bit. Okay, and then we can simulation again. So I will push start, and then the speed, the motor will increase. Yes. If I push stop, it will 0. Stop, it will 0. Start again, it will up speed again. Yes. Because we generate with the automatically add, so the speed motor will increase. Yes. So this is just example about how to link the TIA Portal version 17 with PLC S7-200 Smart by using the simulation. Yes. And we can also simulation to be real PLC also. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.